The ANCEL FX2000 Diagnostic Toolkit is a versatile and user-friendly device that supports more than 60 car brands, making it suitable for a broad range of vehicles from America, Asia, and Europe. Its ability to perform manufacturer-level diagnostics allows users to read and clear fault codes for the engine, ABS, and transmission systems, empowering even beginners to tackle potential issues before seeking professional help. With its live data streaming feature, users can view real-time vehicle data in a graphical format, which helps in diagnosing problems quickly and accurately. The tool is equipped with a 3.5-inch color TFT display, providing clear and easy-to-understand test results for both novice and professional users. Language support is extensive, covering English, French, Spanish, German, Russian, Italian, Polish, and Portuguese, which makes the FX2000 accessible to a wide audience. This diagnostic tool is an excellent gift option for car enthusiasts and mechanics alike, providing reliable information that can save time and money in the long run.